What is noun? Noun understand the names of people, things or places. Kinds of noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, abstract noun. Subhash is the brilliant boy. Subhash proper noun. The cow gives us milk. Cow common noun. Student, class, collective noun. The gold is the valuable metal. Gold materials noun. Abstract noun. Alls in the gun is no more. Hooray, we have won the match. Was hooray. Abstract noun. Pronoun. What is pronoun? Pronoun understand the instead of the noun. Ram is going to the school instead of noun. He is going to the school. Verb. Verb understand the working or action. Go, sleep, look, find, come, return, jump, climb. It is verb. Doing. Verb going, coming, returning, looking, finding, climbing. Adverb. Adverb is modifying to the verbs. He is walking slowly. Slowly adverb. He runs fast. Runs fast. Fast adverb. Adjective. Understand the merit, dismerit, and positions of the noun. Tall boy, tall adjective. Short girl, short adjective. Prepositions understand the positions of the noun or verb, such as the fishes. The fishes are swimming in the river. The birds are flying in the sky. I am sitting on the chair. He is standing beside the tree. Conjunctions. Conjunctions naturally understand the adding or joining to the sentences. He is very clever, but he is very honest. He is very clever, but he is very dishonest. He is a good man and a good singer. Interjections is naturally understand the meaning of emotions, such as happy or sad. Hooray, we have won the match. Alls in the land is no more. Hooray, alls means the interjections. Prepositions in, on, with, beside, behind, with, under, above, across, each.